Welcome to Planning Diaries, where we believe everyday life can feel like an adventure if you choose to see it that way. Some days feel like a loop: wake up, work, sleep, repeat. But what if you could press pause, look around, and make space for something more? This channel is your gentle nudge to plan better days, not just busier ones. We're here for the micro adventures, the bold ideas, and those quiet moments that change everything. It starts with one choice: wake up 10 minutes earlier, try something new, plan that trip, make time for yourself. It doesn't need to be perfect, just intentional. So, whether you're dreaming of faraway places or just want more joy in your daily routine, Planning Diaries is your space. A reminder that your days are yours to design. Share, subscribe, and come along as we elevate your everyday.